This is the Tesla Model 3, and one of the complaints for these cars is that the button on the trunk stops working. So the button here doesn't work. And actually, first of all, before you do anything else, you need to try to open your trunk in other ways. For example, you can do this from the application. So you can just press the button in the application and see if the car opens the trunk for you. Or also you can use this menu here. Now the trunk is open, so it says close. If the trunk is closed, in your case it will say open, you press open and the trunk will open. If it opens, the problem is most likely with the button assembly. So this assembly with the camera, it may need replacement, but in most cases the problem is not with the button and not with the software. The problem is with the wiring harness, and there are a lot of cases when Tesla replaced wiring harness for the hatch, for the trunk lid under warranty. So this is what you want to check before you invest any money in the buttons or whatever, because the button is not actually a very common reason for the fault. In 80% of cases, I would say that the problem is in the harness.